Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're doing the easy kitchen faucet. We've got this one jumping over here, and you may be able to rebuild it and all that jazz, but a new faucet is 60 bucks. Let's go ahead and change it out. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. All right, so we've got the jumping water. I'm gonna turn it on. And then I'm gonna turn my cutoff valves. Turn these cutoff valves to shut the faucet off. So we're gonna put on this single handle Delta. The best way for you to know what's going on under there is just to know what it looks like. So we've got these two bolts here. That's secure with these nuts. Here's our water lines, one label hot, one label cold, and then we have the fitting for the hose. When you tighten down your water lines, you also want to get two pair of pliers on it. One on this area here with the hex, and then tighten it, and that way you don't twist this and pinch it. A special thanks to FlexFit, who sent me all this cool stuff. Great styles, guys. Love working with you. Now that I know my water's off, I'm gonna get on this nut right here. Twist to the left and loosen the water line. After the hot and cold lines are removed, you can take off the faucet nuts, hold the faucet. I can remove my water lines from the faucet. We are gonna reuse these. You can clip your water hose. Can I clip it with this? I can't. Now you can clip your hose sprayer. Get that out of there. Now you can wipe off the goo from the old faucet. Now we're gonna set our sprayer housing. I'm gonna take some plumber's putty and just place it where the housing contacts the sink. Place that down, then throw the nut on. Remove the excess putty. Now we can take our sprayer, put this fitting through the sprayer housing, and I like to bring that up through the middle so it's easier to connect up above the sink. Now I like to hook the water lines on up above the sink because it's just easier to connect it. So we're gonna thread those on the same way we took them off. And when you tighten them down, make sure you get two pair of channel locks on it. Now you can take your sprayer fitting, and it's a quick click deal. Give it a tug just to make sure it's locked in. Now you can feed this stuff back into the hole. Nice and gentle with the water lines. We don't need any plumber's putty underneath. It's got the plastic gasket. We're gonna tighten down our nuts and we're good to go. After you tighten down your water lines, valve on your water, give it a test. Working awesome. So that's it. We just rocked that faucet. Super easy. You could definitely do that yourself. Now I put the Delta on, and I like to tell people that I put the Delta on because, you know, it's semi-fancy. It's like I put on a Delta faucet. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.